channel. This is Ming Lendarvic Spirit of Ascos, and welcome to Lendarvic Fashion. And for today's lesson, I'll be showing you on how to make the back slit of a pencil skirt. Now, I just want to show you first on how to cut the back of the skirt. You're going to square it here, leave an allowance of ½ inch here on the upper part, and this part will be straight here. Okay, so this is now your allowance for the back. You have to measure here at least 1.5 inches. Okay, there. And we are going to eliminate the selvage. Okay, let's say that the skirt length is 23. You're going to reduce the band size, band width. So you're going to base it from there, and then the length is 23 there. And go down for 10 inches here for the hip level. And mark here. There. Then mark here. Okay. And use your ruler here to get the allowance for the hemline of your skirt there. Okay, now the hip of the skirt is 36, so you're going to put 9 here, or 1/4 part of your skirt. The waist is 29 inches there. Then you are going to put an allowance of 1/4 here. Okay, and then get your hip curve there, here, then like that. Okay, and on this part you have to raise at least 5 inches for the height of your slit there. Okay, just mark it here. Let's pretend that the slit is high as 5 inches. Okay, then cut it. Then at the hemline you are going to leave ½ inch here. Here on the side is 1 inch. Okay, like this. And then we are going to put the dart. Move at least 3.5 inches here, there, here, and then the length of the dart is 5 inches. This size will come here. Okay, that is 1 1/4, then there. Okay, here. Now let's transfer the mark here. There. Okay. Okay. So these are the major parts to be demonstrated later. Okay. So here we're going to put the size of the zipper here at least 7 inches here. Okay, this part. Okay, now we're going to stitch. Now let's make the slit. Before that, you are going to overlap the raw edge of this one and then fold it this way. Okay, I'm not going to fold it now, just fold it by yourself. I'll just show you on how to make this overlap part. Okay, we have to start stitching here. Okay, then stop until this part. Okay, there. This, then open this, turn like this. Okay, see this one. This is the part where you stop the stitches here. You are going to stitch this way, slanting from the edge of your stitch. There. Okay, slanting. Then turn this one. Okay, you see, it's coming in one direction, only this one. But what you're gonna do is to cut it here above the stitches, above the lock here. Okay, then it will turn like this here. Okay, then you have to hold this here like this and fold this one towards inside. Okay, like this, and you have to stitch this edge where you folded. Okay, do not include the body, just the seam allowance. Like this now. So this part is the zipper. Okay, then here at the hemline, like this is open, but on this part you are going to turn this, follow this line. Okay, and then stitch this one. Stitch this upper mark. There. This. Okay. So, and then turn it like this. It's coming like this. So there are 2 marks here. You are going to fold this one also. Before turning it inside, make it sure that this one is already folded. There. Going there, so that it's already clean. Okay? You have now the allowance of your fabric here. It's already included. So I'll just show you on how to do it. I'm gonna fold it here now. This part will be folded this way also. When you reach here, just only pull and then lock it. Do not lock until here. Do not stitch until here. Just lock it there. Okay?